In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in ChatGPT Voice Assistant 2026 Full Guide. Let's get you comfortable using the app in the language you prefer. We'll walk through opening the app, finding the right setting, following the automatic redirect to your phone's system menu, and confirming the change. This is quick, safe, and doesn't affect your existing chats. Start by opening the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in so your preferences save to your account. On the main screen, look for the menu icon in the corner of the app. It's a small icon that opens additional options. Tap it to reveal the menu. If you're using the voice assistant interface, just tap the screen to bring up the same menu. A steady internet connection helps the settings sync smoothly, but you won't be sharing any private details here. Next, scroll through the menu until you see your profile. Tap your profile icon to enter your personal account settings. This is where general preferences live, like notifications, voice features, and appearance. We're heading to the language control from here. Inside your profile preferences, find the option labeled App Language and tap it. Don't worry if it looks slightly different depending on your device. Some phones display this as a language shortcut within the app. The moment you choose app language, ChatGPT will redirect you to your phone's internal settings page specifically for the ChatGPT app. That redirect is expected. You're not leaving the process. You're simply using your device's built-in language system so the app stays consistent with your phone. Now you'll see a list of available languages. Select your preferred language from this list. On some devices, you might see an option to use your device language or to choose a specific language just for ChatGPT. Pick the one you want. As soon as you confirm your choice, the system applies it to the app. Head back to ChatGPT, and you'll notice the interface text, things like buttons, menus, and prompts, now reflects your selection. Give it a moment if the change doesn't appear instantly. For voice users, the assistant will adapt to your chosen language where voices are available. Keep in mind, this changes the app interface. Your chat content remains whatever you type or speak, and that is all for today. Syncing your app language with your mobile settings is the quickest way to personalize your AI experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.